everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am coming at you with a TN flip through. Super excited for this. This is my pocket, which is my wallet on the go. And the theme for this one is a very Harry holidays. So excuse the bad pun, but it's a Harry Potter themed one that I will be using for this most wonderful time of year. I am really, really excited. This was a really easy setup. I kept this fairly minimal, and I actually kept some elements from my fall setup. To be perfectly honest, I was not ready to be out of my fall setup, but it's December and I needed to hop into my new one, but I'm actually staying in the same planner I was in, so which is not something I usually do. I usually switch colors in between, but this worked for fall, and this obviously works very well for Harry Potter slash the most wonderful time of year. So I wanted to stay in this, and I actually think the white with the red and the green poking out looks very on point. I am not an all in your face Christmas person. I am actually Jewish, but a little bit of Christmas thrown in with a lot of Harry Potter goodies inside. I will have a ring bound Harry Potter flip through setup coming soon, but these are super minimal to set up, and the base of this is actually the Scribble Prints Co kit that came out a million years ago, TN kit, mixed in with some other things, and I used the leftovers from my personal wide setup, which is still waiting for some finishing touches, but the base of the setup is done. Anyway, this is a Lush lipstick Foxy Fix TN. It is a number 2 on the Foxy Fix scale with it, which is a pocket. It is a wide. I am obsessed with how I set things up last time. It worked so much better than what I had been doing before, so I kept it the same way. I am super, super happy with how this worked. And this does have red stitching. I have a cream elastic, but it's actually got red elastics on the inside. I just restrapped the outside with cream, and I have a white for a new flower on the front, which how pretty is that? So super cute. And then dangling out of the bottom here, I have a Studio Signet bookmark, which is in the gray and my kids' initials in gold. And then I have these Just Giovanna paper clip that's dangling out the bottom just to add a little bit of extra bling on the bottom, and that is a gold pearl cluster. So super, super cute. This is a wide, which was a really a game changer for me in terms of not having this look like it's exploding, since I do keep my an actual wallet, my credit cards and stuff. Well, they're not in here right now because obviously I don't want to show them to you, but on the regular they're in here. And then this is this goes in my diaper bag. This comes with me everywhere, etc. So flipping things open in the pocket here, I have I like to laminate things for a little bit more support. So I do love the Lush, because you get this extra back floppy pocket, which I do sometimes put cash in and stuff, or papers or receipts, whatever. So I do have just a laminated piece of paper from that Scribble Prints Co kit. It's got all the keys on it, the winged keys, and it's really shoved in there. So I'll just pull that out a little. But yeah, so that is in there. And then I have this washi card here, which is a fake washi card. And I actually, this is the same washi card as last time, except I just pulled off the colors that didn't really go with Harry Potter, and then added in this one, which is the Planner Sophisticate collab, and this Lucky Green, which I thought matched better with the Harry Potter theme. So I just subbed a few out to keep the same base of the card. And then I have this little Just Giovanna clip, which I loved having in there last time, so I went ahead and kept that as well. And then this is, this paper is from Coffee Doodles on Etsy, and it's from when she did the Harry Potter planning themed art for each house. So I have the Ravenclaw set of papers, because I am a Ravenclaw, although you're going to see a lot of mix in this, because a lot of the Ravenclaw stuff that was in this kit got stolen and put in my personal wide. Well, not stolen, it got used in my personal wide. So I have a lot of mixed house stuff in here, but that's fine. I am all for house unity. Anyway, I also have one of the bows that came in the kit, and that's in the Slytherin color, just clipped on there, and a blue Simply Gilded bow on top of that Coffee Doodles paper. And then I had just kind of had this clipped all together with this little cute suede bow dangling down, and it didn't bother me at all having that last time, so I decided to keep it in, and I actually just love it. It's just such a cute little peek in the front there. And then on my first dash sleeve, so I have 2 clear dashes in here. The dashboards themselves are from the 1407 planners, and then in here I have I have some of that Scribble Prints Co. Paper from the kit, the double-sided paper, and then over that is actually a clear piece of acetate. It's stuck in the dashboard, so you can't tell that it's acetate, but this was one that got messed up while I was cutting it, while I was making something for my personal line, but this is my custom name from Jasenia's printables from the Planner Sophisticate, and it's like the magical name, so I just think that's so cute, and I foiled it in gold. On the back side of this, like really simple, it's just the back of that paper with the Hogwarts seals. This is a Foxy Fix wallet insert, size 2. This one is in Mochi. I have this color and I just got a new one, but it's in like plum cake, which matches even less, so I just kept this one in. And it's just got like a card slit here, and so I put some cards back here, some cards here, and then it's got like a zip pouch, and I have more cards in there actually, and I didn't take them out, so I won't open that. But yeah, I love having this. It's so slim, and honestly, I'm able to get like all my wallet stuff in here, so it's been really great. Okay, next up is this, and I'm really excited about this. I will hopefully be doing a tutorial on this, but I made this folder myself. I'm gonna try and pull this. Oh, actually, no, on the back, first I lied. I have the back side of that dash sleeve, and this is one of the new journaling cards from Jasenia's printables. So it was a came in like a print foil ready format, which was really cool. And I went ahead and foiled that myself. Let me move this flower out of the way. So I went ahead and printed that and foiled it, and then I just cut it down because they're 5x7, and then I just grabbed some of the foiled edge and then ran that along the side. So I just thought that looked really cute. It says the magic of winter, and it's so cute. Okay, now I have this folder that I made that I'm so excited about. So let me show you this. So this is a laminated, so this is vellum and the paper is the coffee doodles. This paper is the some of the paper that came in the Scribble Prints Co kit. And this is a folder so that you can stick it in like an insert. And it's got a pocket here. And then it's got some pockets here and 2 little card slit pockets. Then I made all of this using my like laminator, and this is just a vellum and then nothing on the back. So I just think that's really, really cool. I've been like really obsessed with making folders lately. So probably a tutorial on how to make folders coming soon. It was like a little bit tricky to figure out, but then once I figured it out, it's like so easy, and like it's easy to add any kind of configuration of pockets you want. So I've actually been keeping my insurance cards in here because I don't need them as often as my wallet, but I like to have them with me like all the time just in case, because you know, as you do, in case something happens. And then I have my Studio Signé bookmark charm just like wrapped around. It's not serving any functional purpose. It is just decorative. And then on the back of after that, I have my last dash sleeve, and this one is this is the paper and the acetate that came in the kit. The acetate came in black, and I went ahead and foiled it, and then it had like one janky part, so I put a die cut, which is the house crest, over that. And I have a pen loop right on here, and this is the To Brie or Not to Brie pen gem, and that is like so pretty. And I have that here. I like to keep a pen with me. On the back side of that is just the back side of that paper. And that's, again, the acetate is tucked into this, so into like the dash sleeve. So you can't tell that it's acetate. It just looks like it's on the paper, but I think it looks a really cool effect, and I really like that. And then I have one blank insert in here. It's Rock Your Notebook. It's Rhodia dot grid paper, so I can do lettering, or I can just like make notes on the go, etc. I don't like use this as a planner. It's a wallet, but it is a TN, and it's fun to show you these flip throughs, and people seem to like them, so I keep showing them. And then I just have clipped on that, again, purely decorative, a Kango XO velvet bow and a peach bomb in like this sort of like minty green. So I thought, I don't know, I just like I'm just feeling like the whole color aesthetic with the red and the white and the green, as you can see through, and the gold. I just think it looks really nice together. So that is why I went with that. And also, like I said, my more Ravenclaw themed goodies are kind of in the other planner. So anyway, this insert is from Rock Your Notebook, and it is just like really stunning. And this is the same one I had on my fall setup. And then on the back of my last dash sleeve, I have some like gold foiled scrapbooking paper that's just from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby or something, and it's like a gold foiled wood grain. And then I have an adhesive pocket, which is from Amazon on there, a vinyl die cut, which I made myself and I lettered myself, so feeling super proud about that. And then I have some sticky notes in here, and these are from Caress Press, and they're like a castle. I think it's probably supposed to be more Disney, but it's Harry Potter enough for me, so I am super into that. And then on the back here I have the journaling card. So I used the Ravenclaw girl in my personal wide, but then this was the girl that like looked the most like me because I have like fair skin and dark hair. So I just used her, even though like, and I like Gryffindor, I like went with the red of the planner, but like it's the house I identify with the least, to be perfectly honest. So then this and this paper and this paper are actually from the fall kit. I just thought like it looked really nice and it was already made, so I just grabbed it, and then I swapped out, this had like something else on it, and I swapped in a red Simply Gilded bow here, and then I have a little vellum pocket folder. I like to have these for like receipts or cash, even with like all the pockets that I have in here. It's just nice to have this another extra sheet, and I always leave it like so that it's open like that so I can just slide stuff in. And then I have like another washi card. Again, this was the same washi card as last time, and I just subbed out a few of the washis. It is a fake washi card, so it was really easy to sub them out. And then that is the Ravenclaw bow from the kit, and another die cut from the kit as well. Okay, that is everything. I hope you like this quick flip through of my little pocket planner here. I really love how this turned out. It was like really simple. I threw this together like as I was doing the other one, like super fast. So I'm really happy about that. And I do think it looks really cute. I will give you one last like 360 spin here to show you all my dangling goodies and everything. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplants to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye.